Good afternoon, everybody. Hey, just got me a new selfie stick. I'm gonna give this a try. Hopefully I got the right angle. But so let's go get the eggs for today. Take a guess on how many you think down below. Leave a comment. But I'm not gonna hold my hopes up for having a whole lot with the cold weather. They've been well, pretty much just doing whatever. But so let's see what we got first. Let's check on their feed and stuff. Get back. All right, feed and water look good. Let's make sure we don't have any eggs in the boxes. All right, they're still laying down below. Let's see what we got down below. Yeah, one just sitting there. Get her out of the way. Come on, move. All right. We got a few. She's gonna come after me. Looks like we got all right. We got 6 eggs today. Not bad. Only having 9 chickens now. So just 6 eggs. Got the dog out here with me. But yeah, temperature's starting to warm up. We're starting to get a little bit more daylight, so that's a good thing. Just got in my electrical netting for the goats that we're getting. So yeah, all is looking up. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna actually put the goats for starters. Thinking I'm gonna put them out by the old pig pen out back, and then move them around during the summer. So, you know, it is what it is. So, thanks for watching. May God bless you and your family, and I'll see you next time.